making it into a jewel. So this part is much more simple than randomly generating this. It's only a couple lines of codes. So yeah. So first of all, you want to so you want to go into your constructor and just make it's constructor underneath the public mod Sapphire block, like I explained before. You want to make some room just for a couple lines of code. Just underneath here, just put just Sapphire, just to explain that we're just making the smelting recipe. So we're gonna have to make a new item. So after the ore smelts, we can make a new item out of it. So it's almost the same thing. Just we want to start with mod loader dot add name bracket Sapphire, and then comma we want to put it in parentheses and put Sapphire instead. Then we want to end the bracket and then semicolon. After that, we want to move down the line and we want to put Sapphire dot icon icon index. Whoops, icon should not have a capital. Only index should have a capital I. And whoops. You want to put a equal sign is equal to mod loader dot add override, and only the override should have a capital O. I made a mistake, but want to put a bracket, and we want to put inside parentheses slash GUI slash items dot PNG. Then we want to end the parenthesis, put a comma, and put another parenthesis, and this time put in just Sapphire dot PNG. Then you want to end the bracket and semicolon. I will not be showing the Sapphire, the PNG one. You can make it on your own. Just take, like, for example, the diamond and then recolor it, or you can just like use anything you want, but just make sure you name it Sapphire.png, like just Sapphire, and make sure it's in PNG format. So that's pretty much all you have to do. And then after that, we want to put the smelting, just so it's smelting compatible. So we want to put mod loader dot add smelting, and then the A and S in add smelting should be capitalized, then bracket space Sapphire ore dot block. Oh, block shouldn't have a capital. The ID after it, block ID should the ID should have it should be capitalized, both letters. Then we want to put comma new item stack bracket Sapphire. Sorry about that. That was my pet, and I guess my pet will be occasionally joining us. Sorry about that, but back to this now. Where was I? Oh yeah, yeah, I just put new item stack, bracket Sapphire. Then you want to just put two end brackets and then semicolon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just to register a new block. But now, here comes the more tedious part. Now you want to open up a new file and just put a few lines or something like that, and then you want to save, and this time you want to put just Sapphire. Just put Sapphire, and just save it as a Java source file, and yeah, just save it. Now we're going to be writing the code for this, and it's practically just the same thing like this as this, except without all the fancy stuff. It's just literally just writing a simple code. So you want to start off with package. Sorry if I'm jumping back and forth, it's just that I can't remember all this. So package net dot Minecraft .src and then semicolon. And after that you want to put import java.util.random semicolon, skip down another few lines, and put public class item sapphire, so the I in item should be capitalized, extends item. So this just literally tells that this is supposed to be noted as an item. And then you want to go down one line, put a curly bracket, then you want to do an indent, or yeah, an indent, then you want to put public item sapphire, and here you put int I in two brackets. Then you want to go down one line, and you want to do two indents, put a curly bracket, go down another line, three indent, and you want to put three indents, 1, 2, 3, and put super, and then put a bracket, and inside that bracket put I, and then a semicolon. I'm not very sure why it's super, but it's just how the code works. So after that you want to put max stack size. Oh, don't want to spell that wrong. The S in both stack and size should be capitalized, and then you want to put equal to 64. Then semicolon. You want to go down, indent 2 times, end the curly bracket, then go down one more time, and just end the whole process completely. So that wasn't too bad, 12 lines. This is just to tell what the sapphire, so we're just going to save this. It's just to tell what sapphire means over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we want to register that down here. So you want to go underneath the world and put two spaces, and then you want to put just put a comment here, just saying, for example, just saying that these are the items, and then you just end the comment. And for other people, if you don't want to, just delete it, and you just want to put public static, and you want to put sapphire. This is just to tell that this is an item. Sorry, I paused the video right there. Wow, I was way off. So after the world, you want to put public static, and then you want to put item sapphire. Make sure the item, the I is capitalized. Then you want to put is equal to bracket new item sapphire. Make sure sapphire is the S is capitalized, and after that you want to put bracket mod loader dot get unique entity ID, and you want the U in unique to be capitalized, the E in entity to be capitalized, and the I in ID to be capitalized. And then you want to put in a bracket, an open bracket, then you want to put 3 closing brackets after that. 1, 2, 3, just to close all the brackets we made. So after that you want to put dot set item name. Make sure the I and N in item name is capitalized. This is not setting the item name. This is just to this is not saying the item name. Up here, the modloader.add name, this is what really sets the name. So just in this right here, just put inside 2 brackets sapphire, just with no capitals or anything, just sapphire, and then just close the bracket, then semicolon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And whoops, forgot one more thing. So underneath sapphire or, just put sapphire is equal to new item, and make sure it says 20, and well, this is just to say what number it is, just like new block, but this one's just a number. So let's make the number what year it is right now, so 2011. So it's just going to show up as like 2011 in there, or some bigger number. But after that you want to put set item name, and again this isn't really setting the item name, just put in sapphire. And after that just put a semicolon. Yeah, that's pretty much it, just for randomly generating your ore, and for when you smelt the ore, it will become sapphire. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This video has, I guess, gone long enough, and next video I'll be teaching you how to make tools after that, just like swords and pickaxes. You get the idea? Yeah. And in a future one, I might make it so that the ore drops an item instead of just dropping the block. Yeah. Hope you like this video, and if some of you people out there notice that I pause the video many times, it's just me writing down some notes, just for explaining this a bit better. But I know this wasn't the best video, but I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment and a rating. Thanks, and bye for now.